What's going on, guys? Adam again, back with Atomic Garage, and today I went to Harbor Freight and I actually bought something that I would like to unbox and review in the future, and that would be this 1500 watt steam cleaner kit. I'm gonna give you my first impressions as we unbox this product from Harbor Freight together, coming up in this video. Outside, guys, on this beautiful day, and we're going to crack open this steam cleaner kit. Now, I got this steam cleaner kit from Harbor Freight, obviously, and it goes retail for $99, $100 basically. But I used a 20% off coupon, couldn't find an actual valid 25%. 20% off coupon, and with taxes and all that good stuff, I ended up paying a little over $85. So saved $15 off the rip, and you know what, we're going to see if this is actually a good deal or not. So without further ado, let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open and see what comes inside. Handy dandy giveaway knife. Go ahead and open it up. Let's see what we got here. All right, styrofoam, don't eat that. Plastic, and we've got our manual. This item number, since I didn't read it out earlier, is 63042 for the Central Machinery Steam Cleaner Kit. Comes with all of these attachments. We're going to take a look at all of them, see if they are any good. All right, so let's go ahead and start opening this bad boy up. Weather is perfect, actually. It is perfect weather. Sunshine or shade, that's why I'm doing it outside. Anyway, neither here nor there. Unboxing. First thing we've got is the actual gun piece here itself. All right, construction smell, very crucial, by the way. Smell test, very crucial. Smells manufactured plastic, actually. Okay, got a little safety trigger for the trigger here, safety switch right here on both sides, look like. One to lock out and one to freely use it. Okay, got this little button here to release this little latch for the attachments that go on it. All right, a little bit of residual little oil or whatever on there. Two little O-rings on this end piece for a secure connection. Can't get over the smell test, I'm sorry. Initial impressions of the actual hose is it's very bendable. As you can see here, it seems to be very bendable. Hopefully this won't be the weak point of the actual steam cleaner. Go a little bit further, and we've got some bristles here with the ends on it. Bristles are actually fairly hard, fairly tough. Okay. All right, they feel pretty heavy duty. They could scratch your skin. But I'm black, so you know what I mean, you scratch yourself, get ashy, you know what I mean. All right, another attachment here. This is not flexible at all. Little flat carpet piece, as it were. Got multiple jets on this attachment here. All right, let's move on. This, I don't know what this is. Maybe this goes inside of here, perhaps. Oh, I did a thing. Look at that. Could be totally wrong. Haven't looked inside of the manual yet, but I feel, just an opinion, just a thought in the moment, maybe this is for if you want to steam clean your clothes and you don't want the steam right up against the fabric, but you want it off a little bit. It's probably got a couple other move places that you can use it in, but that's just the first thing. All right, measuring cup. All right, and we have this piece of cloth right here. Let's see what this cloth is for. So looking in the manual, stand a little bit corrected. This is a squeegee attachment. You notice the hard plastic, the plastic that's flexible here, but the hard plastic that's backing it. And this would be a floor cloth if you wanted to steam your tile floors and things like that. So that's a good little attachment to have. Let's keep on going. Inside of this filling measuring cup right here, we've got a smaller little attachment here. This attachment this cloth will go on one of the attachments. Got a little funnel, I'm assuming, for filling it actually up. And then you've got even more various brushes for scrubbing and stuff like that. So this is the actual scrubber. This is the piece that goes on for the scrubber. And then you've got even more scrubbers and large brushes, brass brushes, and smaller brushes all inside of here. Let's see here. That's a good way to actually store it as well. Throw all of these inside of here and then you won't worry about losing them. As we keep on going a little bit further on, in this side compartment, we have the longer pieces here, longer attachment pieces, some extensions. And as we go ahead and dig a little bit deeper on, will this come up now? I don't know. That's in there, that's wedged in there. Okay, this is the actual floor attachment as well, inside the plastic. These bristles probably feel the same as the other one does. Yeah, these are very, very coarse for some good scrubbing, as it were. You've also got 5 ports for the steam to come out as well. And it's actually a better construction than I thought it would have been. And with these clamps here, I would assume you probably could find more floor cloths, not from Harbor Freight, but maybe from Walmart and things like that, that you can attach on here to get a good scrubbing and everything. But construction of this actually is pretty good. I was expecting it to be way more flimsy, you know, more brittle pieces, but I'm not running into that so far. All right, let's see here. Any more loose parts? Oh, we got some more loose change. We've got the actual little stream jet here, and we have another L-shaped one that can bend it down if you want to aim the spray nozzle a little bit further in a downward motion. So that's good to have as well. And now for the actual big boy right here. And I'm quite curious to see if the build construction of this is any good at all. Also another better, closer look of a lot of the smaller attachments that come with this kit, and it's a total of 18 attachments that's included within the kit itself. And this hose is actually pretty flexible as well. I'm actually surprised at how flexible it is, but I'm going to unbag everything and then I'll show you what we've got from there. So upon taking it out of the box, you know, this is not bad actually. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. We all know with Harbor Freight, depending on what you get, it's a roll of the dice. It's a crapshoot rather. You may come up with something very good and you may get something that's actually pretty crappy. And so far, I'm not feeling bad about this purchase at all. The attachments all seem to be well built and well made. And this, though it's all plastic, obviously, it feels a little thin on the plastic side, but it's not bad. You get a decent long cord, power cord. You get about an 8 foot, a little over 8 foot, 8 inches, something like that, cord for the actual steamer. And so far, I'm actually pretty impressed with it. Wheels do seem to wobble a bit. I know it's got to be a little loose for it to roll, but it just kind of goes back and forth, in and out. A little annoying, but not too bad. This also takes about 27 ounces of water to go in there. It gives instructions on how to clean it as well. And I don't feel too bad about it. The power button feels good. It's nice and tactile. I like the little plastic cover that goes on it. You have to deliberately press it. So I actually kind of like that with this. So this is a first person perspective of it. And I think this is a whole lot better representation than it being zip tied to the table at Harbor Freight. If you go there, it's right over there by the parts washers and everything like that. And it's completely zip tied down to the table where you can't move it just an inch to see anything. So I think this is a better representation. The gun feels hollow, of course, on the inside, but it's not bad. The cord seems like it's very flexible, which I do like, but I'm worried that that will be the downside of this steam cleaner. Well, there you have it, guys. My initial impressions and just an unboxing of this steam cleaner. And you know what? I'm actually quite surprised about the actual quality of it. All of the accessories doesn't seem excessively thin, or you don't see a bunch of flashing from the plastic when they were being molded and things like that. I'm actually surprised about it. But the real test is not just how it looks and how it may feel in your hands, but rather the real test is real world situations. And I got this steam cleaner so I can steam clean a lot of vehicles and stuff that I've been detailing and cleaning. So we're gonna give it a shot. We are gonna give the Underdog a shot before maybe I do a review later on of the McCullen 1275 steam clean. So hopefully this goes good, but initial impressions are actually a thumbs up from it. Please stay tuned for a few videos down the road, maybe my very next video, on how this actually stacks up in the real world, things I like about it and things I don't like about it. That's it for me, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you are new to the channel, and turn that bell icon on so you're aware of all videos that I'm doing, whether it's unboxings, reviews, or just simple car work, or just me going on a rant about something, anything that it could be. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.